Man, this thing looks good. All right, it's a showdown. We've got the Yealink WH63 versus the Discover D904. Let's get into it. For those of you that are new here, my name is Yealink, and this is the channel Headset Advisor, where we review the latest headsets, speakerphones, and webcams, so you can make the best buying decision. So smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. We're gonna put up the tech specs, so feel free to pause the video so you can take a closer look. The Yealink and the Discover both utilize decked wireless technology. The Yealink is 0.67 ounces and the Discover is 0.9 ounces. The WH63 comes with 3 sizes of ear gels, small, medium, and large. But the Discover comes with 3 sizes of ear hooks, no ear gels, and a headband so that you can wear it convertible. They both have noise-canceling microphones and they can connect to your Deskphone or PC. The Yealink has a 2-year warranty, but the Discover has a 3-year warranty. That gives you a whole nother year of assurance and tranquility. The Yealink has 8 hours of talk time, but the Discover has unlimited talk time. What I mean by that is that there's a battery charging in the back of the base that you can hot swap even while on a phone call, which gives you
unlimited talk time!
The Yealink's battery is unfortunately non-replaceable. The Discover is a bit bulky, but it's a sturdy, reliable workhorse of a headset, whereas the Yealink is sleek, discreet, and has a stylish design. But enough of the tech specs. Let's get these two plugged in so we can see how these microphones compare. It's story time! I'm going to be reading the summary of Death Rides a Horse. Bill, a boy whose father was killed and mother and sister were murdered right in front of him by a gang, sets out 15 years later to exact revenge, having used the time to become an expert marksman with a gun. As he begins his journey, a gunfighter named Ryan Lee Van Cleef is released from a prison after serving 15 years there. He was framed for an armed robbery by the very same men who murdered Bill's family. When they meet along the way, Ryan gets the better of Bill, who is blinded by vengeance, but he does Bill no harm. In the next town, Ryan asks for a man named Kavanaugh, whom Bill recognized later as the man with 4 aces tattoo. Bill manages to kill Kavanaugh in a duel, but the more experienced Ryan insists on tracking the other outlaws alone. They cross paths again in Lyndon City, where Ryan meets a rich banker named Wilcott and demands his share of the robbery 15 years ago. Wilcott stages a robbery on his own bank and frames Ryan. When the tables are turned later, Bill reciprocates, helping Ryan escape from a jail. An equally determined Bill sets out ahead of him. Bill reaches a Mexican town where he recognizes the man with the big earring and guns him down. He is captured by the outlaws, beaten and buried alive from the neck down. He had also recognized the man with the scar and Walcott. Left to die in the hot sun, he is rescued by Ryan, who shoots several men standing guard. Preparing for the gang's return, Bill notices that Ryan is wearing a necklace with a skull. Ryan admits he was present during the murders, but arrived late and did not participate. He also rescued Bill from the fire. He gives his word that once the outlaws have been dealt with, he will remain to face whatever justice Bill seeks. In a final shootout during a sandstorm, the last remaining man who killed Bill's family has him dead to rights, only to be killed by Ryan's thrown knife. Bill nonetheless insists on revenge. Alright, what did you think of the mic test? Let us know in the comments below. These are both great headsets, but it's up to your personal preference which one you prefer. If you want the clearer of the two, go with the Yealink. The only downside is that the battery is non-replaceable, so when the battery is out, you're gonna have to recharge it. If you don't want to worry about battery life, go with the Discover D904. The only downside is that the audio isn't as clear as the Yealink. If you're interested in either of these headsets, we sell them on headsetadvisor.com. But don't forget to use coupon code YouTube for the best possible discount. If you found this video helpful, I think you'll be interested in this video up here. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.